Hey everybody, my name is Michael McClintock, and do you ever feel stiff or rigid rhythmically whenever you're playing bossa nova or samba? If the answer is yes, it's not so much the fact that you're counting it wrong, it's more than likely that you're feeling it wrong. So most of us learn these rhythms in 4/4, and honestly so do I. There's nothing wrong with that, but feeling these rhythms in 4/4 is where the problem is. So now today, as an example, I want to use what I call pattern 1. And for me, this is like the foundational pattern for bossa nova. And what we have is 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 So now I'm feeling it in 4. My head is moving and, nodding up and down on all 4 beats. And that's okay for the beginning. When you're learning these new rhythms and you're comfortable with 4/4, learn it in 4/4. So a little trick to move it from 4/4 into feeling it in 2 is this. So I've got a metronome set on 130. And now we're just, clicking away. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 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 4. That's not wrong, but the feel isn't quite right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this in half. So I'm going to go from 130 to now 65, and I'm going to pay close attention to my thumb, because our thumb is always going to hit beat 1 and 3. 1 and 3. And this is really going to help us just kind of feel a little bit more of a bounce, right? So we've got 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. So now if you want to go all the way into feeling it in 2 and thinking about it in more like 2/4, which is how the Brazilians think, just don't count 1 and 3, count 1, 2, 1, 2. There you go. You've gone from feeling it in 4/4, which again is completely fine. I'm comfortable in 4/4, a lot of us are, but as soon as I learn a new rhythm in 4, I try to immediately shift out of that world and feel it in 2. So whatever metronome number you're working with, it could be 160, 180, even 200 for like samba or more, but we really don't want to feel all those clicks. So as soon as you get the rhythm locked in 4/4, cut the metronome in half and start feeling it in 2. If you're enjoying this lesson and want to go deeper, my course, How to Play Bossa Nova, The Essential Rhythm Method, is over 2 hours of step-by-step training on 10 core bossa nova patterns applied to classic songs like The Girl from Ipanema, Che Chi Saudade, and Desafinado. You can find the link in the description or the pinned comment below. So now, to apply this to a little bit more of a real-world scenario, let me teach you how to play the introduction to The Girl from Ipanema from the legendary Getz Gilberto recording. So I've got a D-flat 6/9 with an A-flat in the bass. And so now, whenever that recording begins, that song starts, do we feel like 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4? No. It's way more relaxed than that. It's not necessarily slower, but it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And that's the difference, right? That's the difference between feeling, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then cutting it in half, and feeling 1, 2, 1, 2. That's going to be way more of the vibe. So, like I said, if you've been feeling a little bit stiff or rigid when playing bossa nova, or it's just not grooving, try this out. I think you're going to be really happy, and it's going to switch you from feeling it in 4 to feeling it in 2. If you want the chord grids, iReal chart, and standard notation and tabs when available, it's all over on my Patreon, and you can find a link for that in the description and pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and also leaving a comment below. Not only does it help with my exposure on YouTube, but it helps keep me super inspired to make future content just like this, which I've got a whole lot more coming out soon. So stay tuned, and again, please hit subscribe.